Hi there, my name is Frances, and you can call me Frances. I live in Maryland. I am an ABA instructor, which is autism teacher or assistant special ed teacher. I work with teens and young adults who have autism and or other intellectual developmental disabilities. In my spare time, I enjoy exercising. One of my favorite exercises to do is Zumba. It's a great stress reliever, and I love music and I enjoy dancing. My thoughts for being in the MSW program at Widener, I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to knowing more about social work. Looking forward to growing in the profession and growing as a person. And I'm just looking forward to it. Looking forward to meeting with everybody, working with everyone, and that's about it. Thank you.